guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. So this one is from Lani Makana and it's the Ohana Jewelry Club. So this one is a beach themed jewelry subscription box, but it's not just jewelry, you get other fun stuff as well. The box runs around $35, I want to say, but make sure that you check out the description box in case I have any sort of special discount codes for you. Okay, so cute little box. We have a note up here that says, "Welcome to the family. We're so glad to have you. Each month we'll send you exclusive deals on handmade jewelry from Lani Makana, along with other surprise goodies. Keep an eye on your email to help decide on upcoming styles, customize your box, and more fun." And then they have their Instagram at lani.makana. So this is what's in the box. This one is the February box. Okay, so we have the little jewelry bag here, and it is just a cute little custom jewelry bag. Okay, so I have a necklace and some earrings. So this is the Pikake lei necklace on rhodium plated sterling silver chain. Can you see the detail on the chain there? It's very pretty. And then Pikake flower earrings with sterling silver ear wires. These are awesome. I'm gonna try these on right now. Okay, so there's the necklace. Of course, my shirt is like awkward with it, but it's still a very cute necklace. And these earrings are awesome. I love these big statement earrings, very fun, but I love the natural beads on them and the cute little Pikake flower. Very cute. So let's see what else is in this amazing box. Oh, and there's a little note in here. The Pikake flower is a common flower used in Hawaiian leis. It is a symbol of romance and love. This flower was brought to the Hawaiian Islands in the 1800s and soon became a favorite of the royals. Hawaii's Princess Kailani loved the jasmine flower as well as peacocks, and she named this flower after the Hawaiian word for peacock. Pikake. Oh, and there's a little card and a scratch off. I guess you scratch this off for a discount. How fun. I don't have anything to scratch it with. I'll do that in a minute. A little plumeria flower, some Mauna Loa dry roasted macadamias. Yum, I love macadamia nuts. And then a candle, pineapple plumeria soy candle. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a tin that it's in. And can you see the shells in there? I love this. It's so cute and fabulously beachy. And you guys, it smells amazing. A nice soft combination, a little floral, a little fruity. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It's such a beautiful candle. I can't wait to burn that. Well, this is a fun box. I'm really excited about this. So like I said, this is a newer box, but I believe it's been around for a couple of months now. I am very excited to see more of these boxes and see what they come up with, because the handmade jewelry is just gorgeous and wonderful and fun. Plus you get all these extra goodies in there, which makes it something a little extra special, especially in the winter months. Sometimes you crave that beach life, so I think this is wonderful. Okay, so all of the information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!